On the markets, not much price action as we go towards the opening bell. Dow's down about 70. Michael Landsberg covers the markets for us this morning. Welcome to the show, Michael. I want to talk about your stock picks, specifically UnitedHealth. It's now at 512. Why do you like it?
Stuart, it's one of those companies that seems to do well, really, no matter what goes on in the marketplace. It held up well in 22, did well in 23, consistent earnings growth, consistent dividend growth. And I think it's 1 out of every 5 Americans is covered by UNH. And I think that's a stock that will continue to do well. It hasn't moved a lot this year yet, and that's one of the reasons we like it.
Do you ever have a price target, or you don't go that far?
I don't. I'd like to own these for a long time. So
Okay.
The concern I always have is I like to make sure that they're going up. If they're going down, I'm going to take care of it. If they go up, I'd like to continue to ride them.
Green energy company, NextEra Energy. What do you got?
The NextEra is, it's Florida Power and Light is the big one here. Yeah. And as you know, most people from New Jersey, New York, and Chicago want to come down to Florida in the winter. We've seen a lot of inflow of people. It didn't have a good year last year because they are one of the green energy plays, and that didn't do well. So we look at it over a long term. It's a great story. Florida's a net positive of people moving in. We think it will continue to do well as rates go lower.
That's interesting. You like it because of the demographic movement of people from the Northeast to Florida, increasing the population. That's one of the reasons you like. It's Florida Power and Light that you're looking at, really, isn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, it's got this kicker where you get some of the solar and some of the other things, but we're having people move in all the time. Obviously, it started in COVID, but lots of people move in, lots of new construction in Florida. Those are all new customers. Oh. Whereas in the Northeast and in the Midwest, it's not new customers. It's kind of prisoner swaps.
Believe me, I've seen the explosion of population in Florida. Great place to be. Last one, Monster Beverage. Why do you think they're so good?
One of the reasons Monster is interesting to us, Stuart, is most people in the United States and probably lots of the developed world need energy. They're underslept. They don't sleep well. That 2 or 3 o'clock rolls around and they're looking for something. They're kind of dragging. Monster is actually distributed in basically every place Coca-Cola is. So not only do you need energy, you can get it everywhere, which is an interesting story. It's not just they have a good product, but it's available everywhere. It's been a great grower. It's one of those that hasn't moved a lot in the last 12 months, and that's what we've been focusing on. Can we find some stocks that haven't gone up 50, 100% in the last 12 months that we can start looking to allocate money to?
If I had one of those Monster Beverage drinks in the afternoon, I'd never sleep all night. Never. Just can't do that. All right, thanks so much indeed.